Welcome to Side Hustle Search, where we try out the most well-known side hustles. Our goal? To find the best one to take us from side hustler to solopreneur. Season 1, Depop. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is Monday and I just finished planning out my entire week. I basically just looked at what days I'm going to be doing Instacart, what days I'm going to be working on my Etsy shop, what days I need to edit, record, post YouTube videos, and what days I have cat sitting. So I have quite a lot going on. I also put in my meals that I'm cooking for the week, and then I just have like a little list of to-dos that can really happen on any day. So this is basically how I lay it out. I have each day of the week, and then I have the 3 most important tasks, and then under it I'll put any other tasks that need to be done. This is my little other to-do list page, and yeah, that's pretty much my plan for the week. So I am all ready to go. I have my coffee, my water, my camera, my phone, my portable chargers. I have everything I need. Before we leave, doing what we always do, we're gonna go on Stride and we are going to start tracking our mileage. Also, I'm almost out of gas, so we're gonna have to get gas today. And I use the app Get Upside to get cash back on gas and like try to find cheap gas prices near me. Too much information. Let's go, guys. The one downside of doing Instacart is it's easy to get distracted and want to do other things. I was like sitting there and I just like had this feeling like I should go to Goodwill nearby and check out what they have and see if I find anything cool for the store. So I'm going to do that, which probably is not the best use of my time, but I'm already out here anyways. So like my mileage is deducted and it's not like extra gas just to drive out. So I figured I would do that and then potentially check for another batch, see if I get lucky. And here I'm just going to listen to some music because sometimes it just helps when you're thrifting. If you like listen to the right vibe of music, it helps you find the right vibe of items, at least in my opinion. So I'm gonna go do that. I found out that in the DMV area, Goodwill has like a rewards program that's free. You get 75% off the color of the week instead of 50% off the color of the week. So I think that's a pretty legit deal. I need to like look at my receipt to see, but I know that like 4 or 5 of my items were the color of the week. I'm heading to Zuzu's to do my cat sitting for the night. It wasn't a very lucrative day in my life, but the good thing is the amount I made from Instacart will cover my gas and the items I thrifted. So basically I spent exactly what I made today. That could be looked at as like a bad thing, but really the items I purchased was an investment into my Etsy shop. And I think that's like the best way you can look at stuff is like if you can do side hustles to pay for your new side hustles that maybe you like better, I think that's the best way to do it. So just take the money you have, invest it in the next thing is my motto right now. Enough of my rambles. I will let you guys say hi to Zuzu in a minute and then we will head home and take a peek at all of our stuff. Guys, I just had to add that literally the 2 items that I bought that weren't on sale added up to $17 of the $29. So if I just bought 5 items, I would have got them for $12. 5 items for $12, but instead I bought 7 for $29. So moral of the story, I think the key here is if you just only buy the items that are on the color of the week for that week and you just strictly like limit yourself to only the color of the week, you will make so much more money. I just chugged so much water and heated up my leftover Chipotle bowls. I had so much rice left, but like not enough of anything else. And now I literally have this huge bowl, but it's like 80% rice, but whatever. But I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna show you guys what I thrifted. I finished eating and I can show you guys what I got. First thing I got is this pink short sleeve little jacket. It's very cute. I got this velvet mini skirt, this super pretty top. It's like a shiny silk material, I think. I think this is my favorite item I bought. It's this long sleeve shirt, like this really cute detail on the front. And then the sleeves have like matching little knots. Really pretty blue dress. This super fitted bodycon long sleeve dress. And my potentially other favorite item, I'm not sure which one's my favorite, is this vintage like cashmere bucket hat. Like, are you kidding me? This is so cute. It's so cute. Like, I wouldn't wear a bucket hat, but this one I might actually wear. It's so cute. $3. $3. And yeah, that's everything I got. So I meant to show you guys when I like picked outfits, but I literally just got on a straight up roll and I could not stop picking outfits for the photo shoot. So I made like, I think 12 outfits. And some of them incorporate multiple items that I'll be selling, so I'll have to like take a few different pictures and make it more obvious which item I'm selling whenever I do the photo shoot with that outfit. There's like 4 items I decided like don't really go with anything else, and I think I'm not going to sell them right now because they just don't match the vibe of all the other items. They're like more cottagecore, so I'm not going to sell those for now at least, but I put everything else in bags and then put it into the guest room so that I can take pictures tomorrow. And I put my full-length mirror in the guest room as well, so I can use that to take photos if I need to. I think we're in a good spot to do photos now. The only issue is going to be modeling because I am a horrible model and I hate taking photos of myself, so we'll see how it goes. I do have like a clicker now for my phone to take photos, so like I can set up the phone on a tripod and then just like pose and take photos, which will make it a lot easier. Overall, today was a pretty good day. I did just get booked for another rover job this weekend, which is nice, so I will have one more rover job this weekend. I got everything done that I wanted to on my list and more actually, because I didn't Instacart as long and I made the outfits for the photo shoot. So this is a pretty good day. Now I'm just relaxing. It's already like 10, so I'm pretty tired and ready for bed. I'm just gonna chill and hopefully fall asleep quickly. I'm gonna hit the hay, hang out with the kitty. She's very snuggly today, so I'm gonna try to finish this bottle of water. I've been trying to drink more water every day. Good night, guys. And I'm home. I'm gonna just work on my shop today, get these listings up. I'm gonna take pictures. First, I'm gonna get ready. My hair is not clean, but I'm just gonna leave it, but I'm gonna do something to it. I think I'm gonna try using I like heated curler things. I'll show you. Forget what these are called, but I have these hot rollers. Yeah, hot rollers they're called. So I'm gonna use these hot rollers, put them in my hair, and then while they're cooling off and setting, I'm gonna do my makeup. Finished my hair and makeup. This is still pretty obvious, but I haven't put on lipstick yet, so I'm hoping once I put lipstick on, it just won't be as obvious. We'll see. And here's the huge pile of stuff to be photographed that I need to try on. So I'm just gonna start putting on outfits and see what we can do. So super AWOL since I finished taking all the photos. I started editing them and I actually got some good photos, so I'm really excited about that. I will pop some of them up here for you guys, but I'm very happy with how they came out. I really hate taking photos of myself, so I'm pleasantly surprised with the experience. But I just ran to go feed Zuzu for the night, and I ended up talking on the phone with my old coworker from UF. He was also the same major as me, and like we've been meaning to touch base for the past few months, so we had like a nice long convo about careers and everything and just caught up on life and stuff. I kind of already have made my decision about like what I'm doing doing next, but I had initially reached out to him when I had no clue really what I wanted to do. But now I'm very, very burnt out because it was a very intensive convo, you know? So I'm gonna run upstairs though, because Oliver has to leave for work in like less than 2 hours, and I want to hopefully just get to be around him for like an hour before he has to get ready and leave. And I'm assuming he'll be awake by now, but I'm gonna finish editing the photos, and then I'm probably gonna re-plan out the next few days, like check out my weekly plan and like see what I've done, what I haven't done yet, stuff like that. But I still have to take like measurements of the items that I will be listing. So once I finish editing all the photos and like getting that all organized, I probably will have to take measurements. I need to see if it's possible to make like draft listings on Depop. I'm assuming that's possible, but you never know. So I'm going to check if that's possible, because if it is, I might start creating like the draft listings, writing up some of the captions and stuff, and then I can just pop on the measurements whenever I get to that tomorrow. I also want to put it on Etsy, I think, because why not? It's hard to know if you should do like Etsy or Depop, honestly. My experience is with Etsy, but I kind of want to try out Depop because I feel like it has a lot of growth potential. Etsy seems to be more focused on specific items, but I might just try posting on both for the first month or two and just see what's working. The thing is, I do have reviews already on Etsy, so that does help because I have history on my shop, whereas my Depop, I haven't made any sales on there, and I really haven't posted much on there before, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm rambling. I'm gonna go get upstairs because it's flipping cold out and I'm over it, and I'll touch base in a bit. Hello guys, good morning. Well, good afternoon. It's like 12:30, but I just wanted to pop on to give another quick update of something I'm doing. I am going to take this receipt from Goodwill for the stuff I bought, and I'm going to input it into my Stride account that tracks my business expenses. Because I was Instacart shopping when I drove there, I'm not going to track the mileage for the drive to and from the thrift store, but you should definitely do that for anything you're doing that is a business of some sorts where you are self-employed doing it. Always track your mileage for anything that's related to business. I'm just gonna grab my phone, go on my Stride account and add it in. But I'll do a quick little screen recording to show you what I'm doing. But basically I'm just gonna go to add an expense, and then I'm going to do other, because Stride is more made for gig working jobs, so a lot of it is related to like phone stuff or car stuff. But I'm just gonna put other. I'm gonna do $29. Actually, I'm gonna do $29 minus 19 cents because I did do like the roundup donation, and I don't think I should be expensing that. Honestly, I don't know. It's 17 cents, whatever. IRS can come for me for 17 cents. Or 19 cents, I guess. Usage for work, we're gonna leave it 100%. The date, we're gonna change to the 24th because that is the date that I made the purchase. Then I'm just gonna take a photo of the receipt. It doesn't have to be that great, it's just make sure you can see it. And then in the notes, I'm gonna put, actually I'm not gonna put Etsy shop because I'm selling on multiple platforms. I'm just gonna put East Endsley because that's my shop name, East Endsley merchandise from Goodwill, and call that a day. And then hit save, and then that's all I'm gonna do. So that's $29. One thing I wish that Stride had that I don't think it does is I wish they had categories so I could put like different job deductions, because it's all mixed up together. I have Instacart, Rover cat sitting, Etsy, YouTube, all of my expenses are just mixed in here, and it makes it really complicated. So I wish there was an easier way to do that, but once I go to actually file my taxes, I'm just gonna have to like separate everything out by hand, but it won't be too difficult luckily, because like the mileage shows you a map. That is it for that. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys that, because now I can get rid of this receipt since I have it stored in my Stride app, which is nice. Today we are going to hopefully take measurements of all the clothing and start doing the listings. I'm not going to be posting on Depop until Friday, because from what I've read, the weekends are the best for Depop, so I'll probably start posting like 2 to 3 items per day starting Friday, and I'll do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I might like push it into the week, but I want to start the posting on the weekend since that might be when I get the most traffic to my shop. And then Etsy, I'm just going to post everything all at once and let Etsy do its thing, getting people to my stuff. As long as I do good tags and stuff, it'll be fine. But what I'm going to do now is just take a look at my plan for the week, do some edits to it, and probably start editing a video that I want to post today or tomorrow. I don't even know what video I'm going to edit and post because I feel like I'm behind on everything, but I'm going to figure that out now. So that's the plan. It is some day of the week, I have no clue what, and today we are going to take measurements of all the clothing that we're going to post tomorrow. Right now I just ate my dinner and now I'm eating strawberries with this 7-Up cake from Aldi. It's actually really good. It's basically like lemon cake with icing. So I'm gonna eat this as my dessert because my dinner was actually pretty small. Then we'll start measuring stuff, taking notes in my phone probably. What I did in the past is I basically, and I'll show you guys here, I put like a picture of the clothing from like the photo shoot and then I write the measurements under it, and then I just have like a running list in my notes of like all the measurements that I can reference when I'm doing postings. So that is what we will be doing. I thought I'd hop on, take you along with me, and yeah, it should be good.